G'day, Greg from Waltanna Farms. Today's ANZAC day and we're going to make some ANZAC biscuits. Slight twist though, we're going to use some of our golden flax meal, our golden rolled seed, and we're going to use our oats from Red Tractor that are grown at Waltanna Farms. We're bringing this to you today to honour our past and present ANZACs and to honour those who paid the ultimate sacrifice. Sieve the flour. Add in the brown sugar, the rolled oats, the flaxseed meal, the rolled flaxseed and the coconut, and then give that a mix through. On a low heat, add in your water, your butter and your golden syrup. And then stir over a low heat until combined. That's it. Roll into balls and place them on your baking tray. Place biscuits into the oven. Take biscuits out of the oven once they're golden. Allow it to cool for a minute, then place onto a cooling tray.